guys, today we're out doing a little mowing. We have a full day of mowing because we have a project tomorrow, and then Wednesday we have a lot of mowing, so we couldn't take today off. Sorry about the loud noise. I don't know if it's too loud. You can't hear my voice. Hopefully you can still hear my voice. Jake's back there. He's still doing a little mowing. This is a 2-week mowing. So it just gets high, and this grass just, it keeps growing. It's not gonna die back. I think this year's gonna be a little weird. I think the leaves are gonna fall and the grass is still gonna be mowing. Last year wasn't really like that. But anyways, I wanted to apologize to you guys for the quality of the last video. I thought it was the way I was uploading the video, but it wasn't. It was actually with the camera, and I had it on a VGA setting instead of a high definition. I didn't really realize that until I uploaded that video, and just seeing the quality of it, I had no clue it was wrong. I thought it was the upload. It wasn't. It was the camera. So I got that figured out. You should be watching this right now in high definition. And so yeah, that's what we're up to today. I might show you a few clips of the new chainsaw that we got. The quality of that might not be as great, but so bear with me. Every other video, the quality of the video will be HD. So let's have a good day. What's going on, guys? We got a new chainsaw. It's the Ms271 Farm Boss. Got it yesterday, thanks to my wife and Jake, the cameraman behind the scenes right now. Yo. She went out and bought this yesterday for us, and this is going to be our first whack at using it. I'm sure it's going to be good. It's Stihl. They make good products, good chainsaws. We're going to take down this tree